Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the updated version of the NX or rather the NV player. So the NV player application is updated version. I'll show you step by step how to get that app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. First things first, we're going to head over to the dashboard. And we're going to do this in two steps. The first step is going to be to enable unknown sources so that apps can download and install from unknown sources and apps can download and install unknown apps. When that permission is given, we're going to move over to the unlinked application where we'll be downloading and installing the NV Player app. Follow me to the first step, and by the end of this video, you're going to get the app downloaded. So on quick settings, move to all settings and then system. Under system settings, you're going to need to go to about and follow me to navigate to build number. So Android TV OS build, that's the build number. Click on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times, and now you receive a message on your screen saying you are now a developer. So since you are now a developer, you have the permissions necessary to download and install an application from an unknown source or to download and install unknown apps. We're going to be applying this permission on Unlinked in a very short while, so stay tuned to the video. Now head over back to the dashboard and you're going to navigate to Unlinked application and launch it. If you do not have this app already, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you how to download and install this app on Google TV. Now launch the application when you have it, and you're going to go to the Add Library button, add the Everything Library, EVERYTHING in capital letters. As you can see, navigate down and you find this media player section on that app library. On the media player section, you're going to navigate over to the NV Player app. So that's the app. Click on it and then click on download. The download begins, and after a couple of seconds it's done if you have a very good internet connection. Now in my case, I've already downloaded the app, so what you see here is already downloaded. If I click on it, you can find the install app button. So click on install app. I get the install button, but in your case, if this is your first time, you'll find a message asking you to grant permissions or asking you to enable unknown sources or enable apps installation of unknown apps. All those mean the same thing. What you need to do is simply to go on the bottom of that list, wait for the list to load, and you see some apps listed under with toggles to the right. Click on the toggle that corresponds to the unlinked app and make that app possible to install an application from an unknown source or install an unknown app. That's the function of doing that. When you do that, this install button here will work seamlessly because all you need to do is click on install and give it a couple of seconds. So immediately installed, you can find the app readily available to use on your dashboard or your app library. So as you can see, mine is installed and I'm navigating over to the app library, and there I can launch the NV Play application and enjoy. So that's been it for this tutorial. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the video with the next topic.